Hey, if you want to delete apps on your Android phone, first you have to open the settings and then you have to search for the apps. So that's how it looks in my case, but if you cannot find it, you have to tap on the search pool and type apps, and you can just simply open apps that you have on your phone. Then tap to see all apps that you have on your device, and right now just select application that you want to remove. In my case, I can do this with the WhatsApp, so I have to click on it and then tap on uninstall button. But honestly, I want to stay with this application, but it looks like that. You click uninstall and then you can also select other data. So in the WhatsApp, it will be all the videos, photos and screenshots that you receive and send. And to confirm, you have to click OK. But there's also some applications that you cannot remove, like system apps. So there's the Google Camera, Google Chrome, Google Clock, Contacts. So these apps you cannot remove, you can only turn them off, but they will still on storage of your phone. And that's all, bye bye.